Welcome back to my channel, guys. Before I start working on the Ford, please help me subscribe to the channel, click that bell notification so every time I have a new video you guys will be updated. But I'm working on a 2017 Ford Edge, the 2.0 EcoBoost. So right now the check engine light is O2 sensor, bank 1 sensor 2. Now I bought the part already. This is the O2 sensor, original from Ford. Bank 1 sensor 2 is downstream. That's after the cat. If it's sensor 1 is on top before the cat, so that's sensor 1, that's upstream. But this one is downstream sensor 2. So for the O2 connector, it's sitting behind the mechanical fuel pump right here. I don't know if you can see the connector, but it's this one right here. There's two of them. This one is for the sensor 1. This one's for the sensor 2. The one on the inside is for sensor 2. Now, for the connector, you can see press on this tab right here, pull down, and here's the other end to it. Now here, let me show you. This is sensor 2. Sensor 2 is right here, and sensor 1 is all the way up there where the this one is turbo. So it's right behind the turbo where the cat is right there. And this is sensor 2 sitting from the back right here. Now you're gonna put in your O2 socket and then break it out. So I just broke loose my O2 sensor. And now I'm gonna take it out. Oh, it's hot. Now you can see I took out my old one already. It's exactly the same thing, and it has anti-seize on the thread, so that way when you want to remove it next time, it won't be stuck. The connector is also the same thing, so I'm just gonna put in my new one now. Oh my god, the exhaust is so hot. I'm just gonna tighten down my O2 sensor just a little bit. So this is tight, and then I'm just gonna snug it a little bit. That's it. And then you're gonna feed this wire back up there. You're gonna make it the wire is gonna hold on to that little clip right there, and then just feed it up to the other connector. I got it back clipped onto the other connector. Make sure you guys check this connector right here. Make sure there's no broken wire ripped. Make sure they check the pin inside, look inside if there's any damage, the bent pin or corrosion. If it's good, just snap it back to the bracket back here. Right now I have the key on. I'm gonna show you the code again. There you go, that's the code. Now I'm gonna clear it. There you go, code clear. There you go, that's it. Turn it off, turn it back on. That's it, guys. So that is it for this car, just a O2 replace. If you guys have any question, comment down below. Ask me anything you want to ask me. I'll try to get back to you as soon as possible. But I'll see y'all in the next video. Peace.